My name is Iftikhar Rasha. I usually wake up late always. This is why I choose freelancing. You can work from anywhere, anytime. Just wake up, take a shower, drink a coffee, and you're ready. I am from the craziest country on the globe, Bangladesh. Currently, I am studying computer science at North-South University. I am totally driven towards web development and a self-learner for quite some years, which is a nice thing. Self-learning is important, but what I experienced is, without being mentored, if you try learning things all by yourself, you'll never be disciplined. There's a high chance of you going off the track. There's a lot to learn. You'll easily get confused, because the sky is the limit. To upgrade the learning outcomes, I have taken the mentorship of Shikbe Shobai, country's largest freelancing community. I love to generate ideas from real life. Out-of-the-box thinking is always needed to ensure the most effective solutions. I observe these silly little things and utilize them on my works. Like this color gradient, you can easily make this. Here's a pen. You can make a logo or design an UI for your product. Coding is fun if you know what you are doing. You'll see things differently. That's how I give life to my own universe. And I am just getting started.